Blue is my favorite color.
May I ask why?
Because reminds me the ocean, the sky, and those eyes.
What are you gonna do about it?
Probably something stupid.
Good, but you've already done that.
Then something crazy.
That's like it. But you really did a wonderful thing. Thank you.
You should be indoors, young lady. You'll catch your death of cold in this weather.
Hiccup! You're okay! Hiccup!
Oh, Hiccstrid. How's everyone else?
Everyone's fine. You were right, Hiccup. There's so much more out here, and it's beautiful.
And this is only the beginning, Hiccstrid. Who knows what we'll find out here? You get any sleep last night?
Spent most of the night thinking. So, you two are a thing, right? But I still have you.
I can't imagine a world without you in it. There will always be a Hiccup in Hiccstrid. Always.
Well, this seems pretty perfect to me.
Yeah? Yeah. Yes, it does. I love you, Hiccstrid Hofferson. With everything I have. And I always will.
Take him down, man!
Come here, you. Oh, how dare you! That was a low blow. No, you are not getting away.
But I was the first to believe in you. And I have watched you doubt whether you're worthy ever since. But you know what? I am the person I am today because of you. I never told you that, but it's true. So, what are you gonna do about it?
Probably something stupid.
That's the Hiccup I know.
Chief and Chief Dash!